We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button. Tell me you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with ATR stock pulling downwards, and it was not the only stock falling. The overall market sat sideways and slightly fell, but Tesla fell as well. And our Tesla bot sent us out a bear indicator at 9:30 a.m. literally at the bell, and from that moment forward, put options went up 3x to 10x for the day. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way, so you can receive that edge in clarity over the charts, and you can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the charts volatility by receiving that edge and clarity. So ATR stock pulling downwards, trying to hold support. We're going to talk about some key levels here, and you're definitely going to want to stick around for everything going on in this chart. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity this morning from the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning, and one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was ALVR. We caught this one in the pre-market as it was sitting sideways, and it was going back into strength towards the bell, got that bull indicator, and took off to a highest point of 30% plus, guys, in a matter of minutes. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with ATR stock pulling downwards, as I stated earlier in the video, trying to hold support. But the most interesting part here based off the 30-minute is that we went from the rip area to a dip area here, right? A full transition from bright green to dark green with red borders to red to white with red borders here. This is very interesting because we have not hit white with red borders since the run began way back here in April 1st, March 31st at $2.31. All along, it's been moments of red, dark green with red borders, and then getting that bright green push up. But this is the first time since the beginning of this run in the twos, all the way up to the sevens, that we hit white with red borders. So we could possibly get either a momentum reversal eventually. We need to watch it carefully. We need to look at the bigger picture as well and what the bull and bear indicators are showing. But it could try to reverse back up and turn into a dead cat bounce or momentum move, or it could find support and try to bring itself back up, not as fast as we would think or we would want it to, but it's going to try to fight if it finds the support, especially after reaching this dip area. And in the bigger picture of things, this seems like a big pullback, but this could be a huge setup for the next bull run if a support is found. But so far, the stock has not found a support. It has struggled, and it's been breaking through some key levels to the downside all day today, right? So let's go ahead and pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way, so you can receive that edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities in either direction. And you can now join the members using these resources to receive that edge and clarity to maximize within the volatilities and the charts movement. So we've been under a bear indicator since yesterday at $6.41. I stated it needs to hold support. It's looking pretty strong after hitting that low of 553 and holding above $5.12, $5.18. And if that can hold up and it reversed with strength here and it got a bull indicator that would go ahead and cancel out on the way back up this bear indicator, there's going to be some strength due to the fact that it did not get near these lows. Now, I stated if this bear indicator does not get canceled out and things pull downwards again, we need to watch these support levels very carefully because it could break through them and reach newer lows. And here we are in the $4.60 range and 50-cent range to the highs, right, of those levels, right? 52, 55, 56. It's bouncing around in that area. So the stock on the 30-minute within the volatility has pulled downwards. But what is the 4-hour showing? And then we're going to come back and talk about supports and resistance. And one of the key support levels I'm watching this whole entire week within this volatility to go ahead and see if the bulls have any strength to bring this back up, or is this going to break through even newer lows. So on the 4-hour, we were watching this for the last several weeks, literally all month, almost 3 weeks now. Since it all started, it was under a bull indicator since $2.45, and every single pullback was a setup for the next bull run. Now, if this shifted into a red bar, and I even stated it on these pullbacks here, if they ever shifted and beyond what they did into a red bar or a bear indicator popped up, that would signify further weakness, and it's something to watch because it could cancel out this bull indicator. Well, here we are today after such a big run from the 2s to the 7s that the shift has actually happened, right? It went from dark green with red borders to red and got a bear indicator in the process. Now, this still has 22 minutes to confirm. This can actually disappear. As you see here, this timer here, it has 22 minutes to actually close this bar and confirm if this bear indicator is going to stay, or if it tries to come back up, it can actually erase this bear indicator and try to bring itself back up and reanalyze how things are looking based off tomorrow's price action. But in the next 21 minutes, as we see now, this countdown, if this closes and this stays, this is just the beginning of probably a larger pullback that we need to watch carefully, right? And that's where the supports are going to matter. Now, when we go over to the 1 day here, you could see that things have drastically changed, but the bull indicator is still holding and it just shifted to light green with red borders. If this continues and goes into dark green with red borders, or a red bar followed by a bear indicator canceling out this bull indicator, that will mean that things are getting much weaker and definitely something to watch. But within the volatility, yes, the 4-hour is at this point now with a bear indicator and a red bar, but on the 30-minute, it is actually at white with red borders in a dip area. So it's going to be very important to watch this. And what's the first support level? Well, the lowest point of the day of 450, 451 give or take. And then below that is 425. And then down here at 395. I would just round that up to $4. So 425 and $4 are some key levels of support to watch and see if the bulls can find a consolidation there or bring it back up if it was to pull down to that direction. Now, to the upside, we want to see the bulls break above $5.20 and then get back up here above one of the highest points before this dip, and that is $5.70, and then back up to $6 as the day started. And if the bulls reverse this back up, we want to see a bull indicator pop up to cancel out this bear indicator. Those are the key levels to the upside and to the downside to watch carefully into tomorrow, and they're going to matter within this week as well, because things can find a support or find its way back up to resistance levels, and it's going to get very interesting if it starts squeezing again. But right now, things have been pulling downwards, and we need to watch those supports very carefully. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make